I do have an assistant. Come on. Maria?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Again.
Yes.
I'm Lynn.
I'm Jess.
I'm Seok Lee. And welcome to our Who Does It Best? So today we are going to cook with truffles. And Jess is going to go Oriental and Seok Lee is going to go Western.
Yes.
So we're going to make use of some of these truffle products here and make the Masterchef Jess signature truffle fried rice.
Yoo-hoo!
And
Chinese.
And Seok Lee is going to go traditional Croatian with the very typical fuzzy pasta and in the truffle cream sauce, okay? So we're gonna see, at the end of it we will taste, I will taste, and then I'll let you know who does it best. Okay ladies, are you ready? Let's go, let's do it!
Okay, look at me, the Chinese fried rice. Okay, what I'm going to do right now, egg fried rice with truffle.
Egg fried rice. You make sure Uncle Roger pass your fried rice, okay?
Uncle Roger is I'm the niece of Uncle Roger.
So you just use the egg yolk part?
Yes, I only use the egg yolk. I keep this one egg white because I'm going to fry it. Just, okay, ready? And this is a
Okay, let me help you, chef.
This is truffle olive oil. I do have an assistant. Come on. Maria?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Next, I'm going to stir fry the egg white. Okay. Maria, I hope your pork is good. I need this.
Okay.
This one is belong to Maria.
There's a little bit of truffle salt here to enhance the flavor.
Maria, the salt should be like this in this
Saute!
way. Like this.
Okay. Now truffle salt is not just used for cooking, but it's actually very good on roast meat as well. So we usually use this at home when we roast meat. You just after you cook the meat, you just sprinkle some, and it will be really nice.
Okay, we actually prepared fuzzy pasta in the rice.
Yes, please.
Who's talking?
Next is rice. Okay.
So if you're doing it at home, you boil it. You actually prepare the cream first, and as soon as the cream is ready, then you boil your pasta because you need to keep your pasta a little bit warm. But here you already okay. I hope it tastes good as well. Yeah, so adding the cheese. You can add as much as to your liking actually.
You're adding the cheese or salt?
Cheese and salt,
Parmesan.
yes, Parmesan.
And then we also have the truffle salsa. Now this is really good on its own.
Yes.
Just on crackers, or we try the Chinese style. Take some truffle salsa, add soy sauce, and it's a wonderful dip for everything Chinese. Like steamed tofu, poached eggs. Yeah, so it's
Siu mai.
Siu mai, no need to add soy sauce, just put salsa.
Okay, give me some
Salsa.
Now we're going to be very generous.
More.
More.
Okay, and this is chopped truffle. Chopped truffle is preserved in olive oil, and you can actually taste the bite of the truffle. And this is really generous because you can see pieces, it doesn't just disappear.
What I'm doing now.
Okay, Maria, I need someone to help me to turn off her.
Pasta water.
Yes, please, thank you. So nice to have.
Assistant.
Yes.
A few moments later.
Cuisines, both must have.
Not the whole office, no, the whole kitchen is full of truffle. Okay, here we are. Time for reading.
Okay, so now we have it. Fried rice. Truffle fried rice from Chef Jeff.
Smells so good, and it will taste very good.
And
Yeah.
fuzzy pasta in truffle sauce from Chef Seok Lee. So the moment of truth now. Let's have taste test. Thank you. Which one should we go first? Which one?
You're Chinese or you're Angmo?
I both. My stomach can go Oriental or Western.
Up to you. If you want to start with maybe something not so creamy, I would recommend you to start
Something
with this.
light. Wow, look at that. Smells fantastic. I mean, if you are like me, a truffle fan, and I think this is probably the most exquisite plate of fried rice that you can ever eat.
Uncle Roger, I never let you down.
Yeah. I'll let Uncle Roger know if this passes. Okay?
No, Uncle Roger say must have MSG.
Truffle is way much better than MSG. It's good. I know you're in the heaven. Come down.
It's really nice. The aroma of the truffle in the mouth and nicely flavored.
Thank you.
Nicely flavored. Really good. Don't have time to eat the prawns because I wanted to taste the rice and the truffle. So now, for the traditional 𝐓𝐫𝐻𝐵 pasta. Yeah, this pasta is shaped a little bit differently from the pastas that we know because this is hand rolled. Yeah, so it's a little bit like a straight macaroni. What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah, hollow. So let's taste this.
Very generous with the layout.
Smells
Very
very pung.
I can see the thick layer.
I must go for the chopped black truffle together with the pasta. Yeah, this is really going for it.
This is very generous portion.
Nice.
How's it?
Oh, heavenly.
It cannot be better than my Chinese fried rice with truffle.
I didn't try your Chinese.
I have to say that they both taste fantastic. Okay, however, yes, I think they'll kill me. This one is really tasty. You know why? Because it's very fat.
Yes, this is
All
very
these
fattening.
fat
Yes.
tastes good. Okay, so in terms of taste, I would say that I prefer the 𝐓𝐶𝐵 pasta.
You're the Angmo.
In terms of presentation, I would say that the truffle fried rice wins.
Thank
Hands
you.
down.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
because of the big prawns. These are big prawns, okay?
but the rice is really nice. It's nice, nicely coated with egg, which is a chef standard, I would say. So well done, chef.
Thank you.
Thank you. What are these products that you use in your fantastic dishes?
Oh yeah.
Where can we get them?
You can just order from Dynasty. Okay, our team is making this beautiful pan for just in time for your Christmas.
Perfect gift for friends, for relatives, for yourself. Most important, because the delicious taste must be shared with everybody. But they are not just delicious, but they are very easy to use. Okay,
That's right.
so if you need any help, just comment and
We'll contact you.
yes. Thank you for watching Dynasty TV. Today's episode of Who Does It Best. So don't forget to
Like,
Share,
subscribe. Bye.